In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb turn on and show you a number of its different meanings. The phrasal verb turn on can mean to switch on something mechanical or electrical to start it or to get it to work. You can turn on the lights in your home when it gets dark. It's dark in here. Do you mind if I turn on the light? To get anything electrical to work, you need to turn it on. Like, turn on the TV to watch the news. Or, turn on the washing machine to wash your clothes. Sometimes you know something is broken because it won't turn on correctly. When I turn on my laptop, all I can see is a blue screen. Do you think it's broken? Turn on can also mean to physically or verbally attack someone or treat them badly or aggressively. When you turn on someone, it is usually unexpected or surprising. A colleague who is usually helpful and kind has become jealous after you received a promotion. Doris has completely turned on me since the promotion. She makes everything difficult and has even been rude to me. You can say someone turned on you if they became aggressive or dangerous. When we were on the bridge, the men turned on us. They stopped being friendly, pulled out a knife, and demanded our wallets. To turn somebody on means to excite them sexually. To be turned on means to be sexually aroused or excited. So, if one of your friends asks you what you find attractive in a man or a woman, you could say, "Intelligence and a good sense of humor always turns me on." Or you might read in a magazine, "Women say a confident man is the main thing that gets them turned on when it comes to finding a partner." So, to sum up, turn on can mean to switch on something mechanical or electrical to start it or to get it to work, such as turn on the TV. To physically or verbally attack someone or treat them badly, usually taking them by surprise. For example, to turn on your family after drinking too much. If you turn somebody on, you excite them sexually. My girlfriend is always turned on by my sense of humor. Don't forget to like or comment on our video. For downloadable comics and mind maps, write-ups and more, visit EnglishLogica.com and join our growing community of English learners.